Hi, my name is Aditi. This is my first YouTube video. I wanted to start a YouTube channel for the longest time. I was just waiting for the perfect moment, but I realized there is no such thing. So, this is a random Monday afternoon as I'm sitting in front of my phone and recording this. Yeah, this is my awkward audition to be your older sister on YouTube. And hopefully, someday that creator you watch while you're having lunch or dinner. I really want to build a strong female community on YouTube. Many years later, when I look back, I want to have like an archive of videos about all the things I did in my life, and this is just the start. To be honest, I was waiting for the day when I would achieve something so that I could come here and talk about how I got there. But honestly, I'm as stuck as I could possibly be right now. And I'm just on the journey to get better in many ways, career wise, health wise. There is a lot to talk about. There is a lot to accomplish. There is a lot to go through. And I would like to do it with you. I don't know, someday I really hope that this will lead to something crazy, one way or another. And I hope to see you be a part of it from day one. If you haven't noticed already, I'm really awkward and I hope to get more confident in front of the camera as time passes. I want to talk about life, about random thoughts, about my experiences, things I'm learning, things that confuse me, things I find fun, funny things, serious things, just me trying to get my life together every few weeks. Maybe vlogs, maybe random rants, maybe me oversharing. We'll see. I just realized I should probably say at least a little bit about myself. My name is Aditi Ravi Shankar. I am 26 years old. I'll be 27 in a month. I live in Bangalore, India. I am also married and I'm figuring out a lot of things in my life. More on that later. I overthink a lot. I'll get more into what I do and where I am at life in future videos. I am a very anxious person in most situations. I can be confident when the feeling hits me, but more often than not, it's just awkwardness trying to get better. Someday, I hope to look back at this video and have one of those before after edits where I'm like, what was I doing? Why was I talking like that? And look at me now, so confident, so cool. I love having deep conversations, but I also love stupid humor. I'm trying to figure a lot of stuff out, and I would like to do it while documenting it and sharing it with you. If you're watching this and if you've gotten to this point, firstly, thank you so much. This is terrifying. So, I mean, it means a lot. If you've gotten to this point, I would love to know. So, and I would love to know who you are. So, please tell me something about yourself in the comments. This feels so weird. Like, even talking like this feels really weird. I don't know. Tell me what phase of life you're in right now. Are we thriving, confused, reinventing ourselves? Let me know. Yeah, I didn't really know what to say for an introduction video. I just blurted out a bunch of random things. I am probably going to overthink a lot before uploading this. But if this actually gets posted, then hi. I'm really happy that you're here. And I really hope that you stick around. Thank you so much for watching. And I promise future videos will be much better than whatever this was. Thank you. And I forgot to say, welcome to my channel.